Okay, so check this out. This is the brand new Miles Rampage. I'm just about to open it, and as you can see, I'm gonna film a whole review video about it. I can't wait. There's the name, Rampage. Wait, I'll show you when it's open. You can't see it now, but it's gonna be lit. And there you have it, the official first look of the Miles Rampage. That's just some filmmaking ingenuity from my side for the YouTube review video. And this is the remote, and I'm the first person in the world to actually own one of these. It's gonna be awesome. This thing is crazy amazing. Oh, there I'm off again. Alright, I still have to figure out how to exactly drive this thing, but it's going pretty well so far. You can actually ride there? What? It can even go into this ditch and nothing happens. I can just keep on driving, but I'm still learning to turn. See, the nice thing about China is I can ride my skateboard and my bike in the streets where all the cars are, and it's not really a problem because nobody really worries about it. So I'm just like cruising in the middle of the road and nobody cares, I just drive around. So this is basically the street test. I'm literally driving it on the road right now. It's going pretty fast. It's only on the lowest speed setting, but it's handling itself pretty well. I'm impressed. Check it out, there's a Porsche right here. I don't really care about that though, because I've got my own Lamborghini right here. This thing is, listen to it, just listen to it. Woo! I feel like I would be doing myself a disservice if I didn't come here. Okay, you can't see the lake that well, but I'm just taking a drive across the bridge here. Check it out. Let's go fast. Yeah! The streets are completely open. I'm shooting the heck out of this thing. I'm going so fast. My heart's pumping 1,000 miles a second right now. Check it.